today's Thursday. I have been a horrible vlogger, but I am here at Sombra in Ocho Rios. I'm waiting for my tennis coach this morning because we are doing a lesson. It's my first time with her. It was a stretch trying to find somebody because that's really what I get back into. I played for 4 years in high school, and I like to mix my fitness, right? And so I will be going to a gym here as well, which I'll check out maybe a little later or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I'm waiting for her now. She's running a little bit behind. I'm getting my Starlink installed today, hopefully. And I won't have to use hotspot anymore. I have a travel Wi-Fi, but I have to figure something out. It's not as powerful as I hope it would be, or I hope it was when I bought it, or I hope it would be when I bought it. And so I'm just a little frustrated with it right now, but today, hopefully, my Starlink will be installed and I'll have internet in my place and I won't have to outsource. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda today. I hope I get a good workout. I hope I get a good sweat. Since I've been here, my mother has been cooking. I've been eating. So I don't want to put on the weight that I just took off. So I'm easing back on all that's nice right now and eating what's healthy. I don't know how I feel about her, just talking to her. She was cool in the beginning, and then she just seems a little weird. But let's be nice, and let's see how she trains. She said she learned from the best, so we'll see. I have another option that I can use. Couples Tower Isle offers a membership. And once you pay for the membership, the private tennis lessons are $2,000 cheaper than hers. So, and she doesn't have a dedicated court. Okay, so we'll see what happens. If I could get to record while I'm on the court, if I get to use the court, because it looks sticky right now. Guys, it has been a couple of days. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. I've been doing so much. There's a Barrington Levy show out in Plantation Smokehouse. I'm gonna go tonight. Yes, I'm going alone by myself. And I don't love the outfit, but you know, it's something that I can wear. It's just like a satin skirt, a shirt, and some sneakers because I think it's going to rain. Pardon what's all back there, but yeah, I'm waiting on my ride. I can drive, but I don't know what it's like down at Plantation Smokehouse. I don't really want to go down there and fight with traffic, so I'm gonna have someone come and pick me up and take me back home to ensure that I have a good time. Just a little purse action, little shoe action, a little color, right on the lip. I don't even have red in the bag, but it's okay. You know, I'm just gonna enjoy myself. Monday was my birthday, so you know Monday's very slow here in Jamaica. So I did what I can do, but then my friend gifted me some money, and my other friend gifted me something else for my birthday. So I am going to the show. I thought I was gonna do the luxe version where you get food, you get VIP access, preferred parking, but by the time I went online to purchase it, it was sold out, so I couldn't do it. So I'm in general admission. I'm not crazy about that, but it's what's left. I think I'm gonna stop by the bank, get some cash, and then stop by Fontana for a chair. I think these events are like chair type of sit down and stuff. So I'm gonna purchase a chair, and I'm gonna stop at the ATM for some cash, and you guys could come with me. Guys, I am beat. I am beat. My walls, I'm beat. I'm beat. I have so much to do. So little time. Not really so little time. I have other vacations planned. And I have to get back home to prepare for those vacations. So I'm between a rock and a hard place. But this trip has definitely not been for R&R except for my birthday. My birthday was completely 100% R&R. You may have seen I went to get a massage and so on. So my ride is coming. I'm gonna make sure I have everything in my bag. Just took out important cards, IDs, stuff like that. And we are on our way to see Barrington Levy, Gramps Morgan, and Luciano. So it should be good. Should be good. Let's go. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll take cold. Thank you. Have a good one. Guys, I was upgraded to VIP. I don't know why, but I was. Hold on, let me do this thing properly. I was told there is seating in VIP, but I bought my own seats. That one is sweet? Yeah. Let's do that one. I pay first and then you? Yeah. They're not quite cold. You have glasses? Okay. Just me. Just me. Give me another one, please. Thank you.
Favorite singer, James Ingram. Here we go. Just once. Can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Times never last for long. So where are we going wrong? Just once, can we finally find a way to make it right?
I greet to the mighty name of His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Rastafari, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, conquering Land of Tribe of Judah, elect of Jah, tribe ruler. Holy Emmanuel, give praise to Rastafari. Praises unto Jah. I told my baby not to wake me, not even for a cup of tea. Wow, wow, oh, yeah. could it be now? Who could it be now? Who could it be now? Knocking on the door. And who could it be now? Who could it be now? Who could it be now? Knocking on the door. Believe for it. Drop of rain that falls. A flower grows. This night, a candle glows. Every time I hear newborn baby cry, I'll touch a leaf or see the skies. Then I know we'll never give up, I'm right. Ready to know I'm broken up inside. Never give up, I'm right. What is it, pull up?
Hi guys. I am on my way to my second tennis lesson. And this time I'm going to Miami Bay. It should take about 27 minutes, but the police are right here. But can I tell you about the concert I went to last night? So I went to Plantation Cove. They have started this Coveside concerts where they put on a lot of concerts with different artists. And last night was Luciano, Gramps Morgan from Morgan Heritage, and Harrington Levy. OMG. First of all, when I got there, you know, they asked me if I wanted to go VIP. I said, yes, thank you. So I opted not to drive. So I got somebody to drive me and pick me up because, I don't know, I'm not a drinker, but I will socially drink. I'm trying to stop that. But I will socially drink, and I knew probably I would be socially drinking. And so I decided to go ahead and have somebody take me. And plus, I didn't know about the parking. Guys, if you don't know about parties on the North Coast, you better have somebody drop you off. One time, it took me 8 hours from Montego Bay just to Ocho Rios because there was some cooler fete going on. FOF, I think it was. FOF took my whole 3-day vacation away because of the traffic. I have to stop at the, come on guys. I have to stop at the ATM, so I'm gonna do that first. And I'm gonna proceed. But I gotta tell you, girl, hold on. Yeah, so guys, here we are talking about, I try to go to the bank. As you know, every bank ATM after the weekend is kaput, okay? So, I went to the show. There was ample seating to sit, but clock this tea. So, I went to the show, having a good time. There was an intermission to get food, so I went to go get food. When I came back, my seat was taken by a Caucasian sister, right? And her boo, or her bae, right? But what the bae did is, because he wanted to sit next to her, I was sitting at the end seat. And because he wanted to sit next to her, he pulled the chair and blocked like the aisle to sit with her. And you know, he's rubbing her down, showing her love, and he is a brother, right? And honey, the San Andrew ladies behind them was giving it to them, telling them to move over. They're blocking the way, but it wasn't like, oh sir, you can't. First of all, I don't know if they had parts in the show, but they were making it their business to let them know you can't block the aisle. And I thought it was just like an overstep of boundaries because it's not your show. And there are other aisles that they could pass down, but I think it was a little bit more than that. And honey, the San Andrew ladies were very appalled because she was very cultured. Tattoos in the back, you know, little midriff. She was busting some wine to the music. And they, Andrew, ladies, wives, whoever they were pissed, okay? I was just like clocking on the T, looking at the eye rolls. I was like, oh my God, this is good. This is better than the show. No, I'm just kidding. But Luciana came on first. Oh, such a good performer. So was Gramps. Gramps gave a little bit of, he said it was country reggae. But that family's just lyrically really, really good. I just really like listening to them and so on. So that was good. But Barrington Levy stole the show. I love him live. Why haven't I ever seen him live before? That's very strange that I've never seen Barrington Levy live. Do yourself a favor if you're into reggae music and nobody's swinging from ceilings. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that because I gets down with that too. But check out Barrington Levy live. He lost a lot of weight, but he crushed it. He's so good. That's why they call him the Canary, because he's just good. Okay, I'm in Ocho Rios right now. I'm at the Scotia. There's a line. Yada yada yada. If you've been to Jamaica, you know. So let's wrap this up. Okay, bye.
Yeah, man, you mean? Yes, no, you hit. One thing. One next button. One sit and hit. Go. Nice. If you're working, I said, come down now so you get your.
Good morning, guys. It is super early, and I got up and started shopping my closet for my Barbados, St. Martin, Trinidad, Antigua trip. I don't even know what's happening here. I can't even believe I'm shopping my Jamaica closet to go on vacation. But because of the closeness of this trip, I have to do that. So I'm not even that kind of matchy girl, but obviously I did some kind of matching here, and I'm gonna pack because I have a hair appointment. You guys know in Jamaica that could take hours, and I have to come back home, clean the place before I leave because I'll be away for at least a month. Okay, let's do this.